IIT Kharagpur.
सत्यवाणी बने जिन्हें पढ़ के ब्रह्म ज्ञानी।
Next, I would request Dr. NDLI project to present a memento from the NDLI side to our chief guest, chairman, convener and co-convener.
सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स का काशी नगरी में स्वागत है। एक बार बोलेंगे हर हर महादेव। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। With immense pleasure, I warmly welcome each of you to National Workshop on Institutional Digital Repository Convent.
Yeah. Respected dignitaries sitting on the dais and faculty colleagues from different departments and distinguished participants, participants of this idea workshop who have come all the way from from different parts of our country to attend this workshop. A very warm good morning to one and all. So firstly, I would like to join Dr. Naveen ji in welcoming you all, including our chief guest of today's inaugural function, Dr. N.T. Mukhopadhyay sir, our esteemed Dean Faculty Affairs from IIT Kharagpur, for gracing this inaugural function, and also who would be engaging the 2 days workshop with his expertise. And I thank the NDLI IIT Kharagpur and also Dr. Sutradhar for giving us an opportunity to organize this idea workshop in our institute premises. And today, we all know that idea is such an essential element. Like library is an essential component of every institution. So we live in a data-centric world. And every day we are being bombarded with so much of data, and it is very important to at a local device or in the cloud space is very important. I think the idea of the NDLI initiative is a single repository that provides all the authentic information that is available across the country and even outside the country. So which I was so happy to refer. Suppose like if you are interested about a culture.
Permission from Nobiji, who elicited through our colleague. So I request Bhandari and Boshaki, please come. And the librarian, Dr. Naveen Upadhyay ji, and Mr. Kanu Chakraborty, and all the participants, my colleague, my friend. So today I am very happy that we provide you remote access. So you just send your server access through TeamViewer, we will provide access remotely. So this level we are providing support. Only your willingness is required. That is very much important. So I hope this workshop definitely you will get so much help from us, and also will get help from you, because you will upload the content, your educational content in your ideas, and after that we will integrate it so that your local content will have a.
Dr. Sutradhar mentioned some crores of informations available, and it's humanly impossible to retrieve the information until or unless there is really a logic and the rationale. And I'm sure this workshop organized by the Institute, the NDL and the IIT Kharagpur, what could be the best? Because now both the institution we have the same common director, Professor Amit Patra. And Professor Amit Patra encourages all these learning exercises. And I must say that I also am learning. That also has taken the benefit of it, and that will help our scientific advancement, societal advancement. As Dr. Sutradhar was mentioning that the question bank also will be available. If that is available, then it will be helpful to the students also. And like us, our students who are doing research and all, their knowledge if they stored properly in the repository system.
Since NDLI clubs are playing a big role in promoting the usage of resources available on the NDLI portal, now
कैसे हैं? बढ़िया है। पहचान रहे हैं? बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं पहचानेंगे यार।